Blessed love family. So carrying on the video that I did yesterday, and that's on ways in which you can raise your vibrations. I did say to you that my favorite of all was to surround yourselves with positive and upful vibration people. And yes, sometimes I must admit that we do have people who we cannot disassociate ourselves from, and sometimes we cannot distance ourselves from them because they are our loved ones. They actually reside in the same houses as we do, and sometimes they are our close-knitted friends, so they're in our inner circle. So friends and family can be vibrating on low frequency. And what do you do to help them? You help them to raise their vibration. You help them to raise their frequency. So if that family member or if that friend, and you know you love that person so dearly, it's so difficult for you to say, oh, I need to turn away or I cannot be bothered. Instead of doing that, you can help that person to channel positive thoughts. You can help them to see things at a different angle, from a different perspective. Bring your positive light into their lives. Help them to see the positive in things rather than the negatives. So that's a way in which you can help negative vibration and negative frequency, people who are on a lower frequency level than you are, to raise their vibrational frequency. With that being said, it's a very short one. And this was inspired by some of the comments that I got yesterday. So let me just say thank you to the family. Thanks to everyone who've been coming to my channel, who's been leaving your comments, who've been participating. And for those of you who've been shouting out to me on Instagram, thank you so much. Continue with this movement as we empower and as we uplift. And like always, I leave you now with love, light, and upful energies. I'm out now. Real Empress Yuda. Blessed love.